Hi everybody! So earlier in the week we talked about how you can make long E, which sounds like E, by using one E or two E's. And there's also more spellings for how we can make long E. I know it can be confusing, but as long as we practice, we're going to get better using it. So we can make long E by combining the letters E and A. That also sounds like E. So this word right here says seal. We don't say this like seal. We say this like seal, seal. So the E and the A together makes the long E sound. Also, the Y. So this word is bunny, but the Y at the end makes the long E sound. So for part A, we're going to read each pair of words and we're going to write the word with the long E sound. So the first one is red with one E, red. And the second one is read with that E-A sound, eed, eed. So the long E sound is read, R-E-A-D. So you're going to type it right there in that box. And you're going to do the same thing for all of these. Now, for these, you're going to underline each word with a long E sound. So you have these little lines over here on the corner. And you're going to take them and you're going to underline the right word. And if it does have the long E, you're also going to type it in the box. So number one is deal. Combining that E and A sound to make the long E, deal. So that is a long E sound. So I'm going to take that line and I'm going to underline deal. And then I'm going to write deal in the box. Let's skip down here to number three. Number three says beg. Egg, beg. That does not have the long E sound. So I would not underline it and I would not type it in the box. You're almost skipping the ones that don't have the long E sound. Okay, and remember, we make long E sometimes with the double E, sometimes with one E, sometimes with the EA. Okay, and then if I come down here to letter C, it says write the correct word for each picture. So you're going to write that in the box. So the first one says bean or beam. So different ending sounds. Bean or beam. And these look like peas, or like snap peas, and those are beans. B-E-A-N, bean. Okay, so you're going to do the rest of them.